This was one of the first pasta recipes I learned to cook as a kid, which means I've been cooking and eating it for over 30 years. There's no fuss, just simple ingredients coming together in 20 minutes to make some comfort food heaven. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. In our house, this recipe is called cheesy pasta yay, because whenever I tell the kids I'm making cheesy pasta, they say, the one with the sausage and bacon, yay! So it guarantees clean plates all around. It really is simple, easy, back to school comfort food. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by cooking the sausages. So I've got 4 good quality pork sausages here, and I'm going to place them on a baking tray and place them in a preheated oven at about 200C or 400F for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and cooked through. Once the sausages have been in the oven for about 10 minutes, we're going to cook the pasta. I've got about 400 grams, which is 14 ounces of fusilli pasta here, but you can use your favourite pasta shapes. And we're going to cook that in boiling water as per the pack instructions until al dente. While the pasta and sausages are cooking, place a large frying pan over a medium heat to heat up. I've got 8 rashers of smoked streaky bacon, and I'm going to add those to the pan and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, turning once during cooking until browned and crispy. Now remove the bacon from the pan and place on a chopping board. Top up that leftover bacon fat in the pan with an extra half a tablespoon of sunflower oil. Add a finely diced onion to the pan and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often until the onions softened. Is it just me, or is the smell of onions frying in bacon fat just amazing? This is going to be so tasty. By now the pasta should be ready, so we're going to drain it in a colander, remembering to save a cup of the pasta water for the sauce for later on. Add the drained pasta to the frying pan with the onion. And now we're going to add in 150 grams, which is about 1.5 packed cups of grated mature or strong cheddar cheese, plus 180ml, which is 3/4 of a cup of double or heavy cream, and half a teaspoon of black pepper to the pan. Now stir it all together with the pasta until the cheese is melted. Okay, now we need to roughly chop up the sausages and the bacon. Doesn't need to be chefy, just nice, generous, chunky pieces of both. Add the chopped sausage and bacon to the pan with the pasta. Then stir everything together until it's nicely combined. If you want to loosen the sauce a little bit, add splashes of the pasta cooking water to the sauce until it's thin to your liking. Now transfer the pasta to bowls and serve topped with some fresh parsley and a little bit more black pepper if you like. This really is such a simple recipe that comes together really quickly. It's definitely not diet food, but if you wanted to add some veggies to it, it works really well with peas, peppers or courgette. And if you really like this type of quick and easy comfort food, then check out my creamy tomato ravioli, where I show you how to turn shop bought ravioli into something truly spectacular. Now let's give this a taste. Oh, cheesy deliciousness. It's so good.